So I'm back at the train show at the North Carolina Transportation Museum, and I'm looking for my dad and for Trey, who you may have seen in my previous episodes. I'm excited to go to the train show again and explore a little bit more. There is so much to see at this museum, and so I loved the visit before, and I know there's more to discover. So I have to give a little thank you for my wardrobe today. So you may have seen my episode that I filmed at Union Station of the Santa Fe 3751. It was a blast. I got up inside the cab, and one of the people that really arranged that for me was Tim. He had reached out from the San Bernardino Historical Society. I think I'm getting it right. Historical Society. And that is their baby, that steam engine. And so anyways, he gave me this. Thank you very much. I'm happy to be here today. There are lots of vendors, and so I think they've kind of set things up a little differently than last time in terms of where the actual layouts are. So we're gonna explore, and I know my dad will be happy to see me when I get there, because this is his hour to kind of run his trains, and I know he has some things he's like really excited to show you all. Okay, I was actually at the Cheerwine Festival yesterday, so that's an interesting coincidence, and you can see a couple episodes in Salisbury, North Carolina of that festival. Do you want to take a look? All right, so I'm looking for the Yadkin and Catawba Train Club. They usually have like the biggest layout. Oh, I see it. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
Hi, Lisa. I'm having fun running my new train.
Yeah.
The Southern 080 pulling all the Cheerwine cars.
Oh.
It's gonna come around. The steam engine is historic and is preserved at Tanglewood Park in Forsyth County.
I remember going there as a kid and climbing around on that.
4 different whistles. Just listen to the whistles. Listen to these whistles. Which is your favorite whistle, Lisa?
All right, do it one more time. I don't know, it's hard to just choose one. I kind of like the first one, I guess. Oh, they're all very interesting. I like that there's a variation.
All right, so right here is the actual whistle on the locomotive. And when you press the whistle button, you see the steam? The steam's coming out of the whistle. That's how you have the regular smoke sitting at idle, but here you have the whistle. It's called whistle steam, the Lionel feature, whistle steam feature. Now we're going to show you how the bell works. We're going to play the bell, and there's 4 different tones to the bell. And then it's a mechanical bell. So you have to focus on the actual bell.
Okay.
So right here is the bell.
All right.
Right there is the bell.
Okay, I like that.
See
It actually
moving?
moves.
It
It
actually
actually moves.
That's a Lionel feature, the swinging bell feature. It's pretty noisy in here, but which is your favorite bell tone, Lisa? I don't like that one. Or do you like this one?
So are there 3 tones? Like there's 3?
There were 4 tones.
4? Okay, 4 different tones of that.
Now we'll do a photo run by it.
Okay, I don't think I can choose just one. I think I like the variety, the fact that you can like do one and do another.
So the Southern 080 1894 is pulling a dealer-exclusive custom Cheerwine train. You'll see every Cheerwine O-gauge train car that the Train Loft has produced with MTH electric trains. And here it comes.
And Cheerwine is a brand based in Salisbury, North Carolina. I was actually there yesterday.
Did you go to the festival yesterday?
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, it was fun. This is very cool. The drive-in movie theater. I love that. That's one of my favorite things. Woo! Oh my gosh, I just spotted the bowling alley.
You can push these buttons and see some of the things happening.
This,
This diner, we have that at home.
yeah, does something happen with the bowling alley when you...
I think it's the light.
So something's going on here.
Something's going down with the police. You're right. Is someone robbing the Dunkin' Donuts truck? Is that what's going on? What's happening? You don't know.
I think it's the light. If you're making the light.
Tower, we're ready. Is it okay to pull? Over. All clear to move on to the lead. Yardmaster out. Dispatcher, hoses are coupled. Are we clear to the main line? Over. Please hold. Yardmaster out. Dispatcher, air test is complete. Can I move? Over. You can take the lead. Tower out.
You make Train Talk with Lisa possible by clicking on the membership tab to become a member, or by clicking on that cute little heart-shaped thank you button. And when you like and you share this episode with others. And your thoughtful comments, personal stories, and the history you share here is such an important part of this series. Thank you for being a part of the Train Talk with Lisa community, and I will see you very soon.